Come on, ride this way. Ride this way and be careful.
You making one?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Good. Ride this way. Come on, get over here where it's smooth.
Get over there where it's smooth.
Very good. Come on.
This is my second YouTube video.
Sure is. Just straighten it up. Straighten it up.
People don't actually say it.
Don't get discouraged. Pick it up. Put it in the middle of the sidewalk.
Put it in the middle of the sidewalk. Don't get mad because of the skateboard. You can rock the mess out of that
Very good.
skateboard.
Very good. That's okay. Now that's going to get it taken away from you. You can't get mad at the skateboard. You're trying to learn, and you're doing a good job.
I can't do it.
You are doing it, son. You're doing good.
Hilarious. He has that big helmet on, and he is so funny. And then on top of that, let me ride this skateboard. Be quiet. Make me.
Very good.
Very good.
Doing good, son.